Here's the jingle bell. Some of them seem to ring better than others. I think the ones that open a little more on the bottom ring better.